Alright, today I went to Sprint and ordered a Sprint Dry. And here is this. So basically, there's one tab seal, and I'm about to just break it. That's it. Ooh, they make that strong. Alright. Here's your unbox experience. And here's your your card that have all your barcode and information that you needed for setup. It's like this, black and Sprint. This is instruction. Alright. And over here is your other junk. Alright. This thing is heavy compared to the previously one that I used, which is not Sprint, it's automatic. It's like a car tracker. And so the same information on the piece of paper that I first showed you is on the back of this. And this has 3 lights and no physical button, so you can't really push it. There do have a reset on the side, which is up new, but those 3 dots right here is just a grip, so it's easier to hold it. And there's your pin OBD port. So what this is basically a car tracker, and if you guys don't know what car tracker is, it's basically it's to let you see where your card is and all of that stuff. For me, I had Automatic before, and I was learned today that automatically is no longer will be in service, so that's why I got this. So that's a quick unboxing, informal unboxing video. There you go.